Every day starts with an aspiration that forms the blueprint of every initiative. Fueled by curiosity and passion, driven with commitment and intensity to power experiments that will enable the scientific community to make a difference. At NZYtech, we are devoted to the advancement of science by developing state-of-the-art products intended to foster innovation in the fields of molecular biology and diagnostics, sharing knowledge and crafting products for over 10 years, shaping biotechnology and promoting growth for our partners in life science research. NZYtech ensures cutting-edge solutions with a catalogue of over 1,800 products, shipping to 5 continents and serving over 71 countries. Maintaining a constantly expanding portfolio in molecular biology, molecular diagnostics, glycobiology, analytical products and molecular services, all developed with superior performance and reliability in mind. It is with research and development at our core that we find the answers to our questions, how we search, test and design dozens of new products, launches each year across diverging categories and support distinct academic and industrial partnerships in the development of novel solutions for their challenges. From private labeling and packaging for customized formulations, including lyo-ready and lyophilized solutions, to a dedicated support team, NZYtech is here to accelerate their partners' growth with bespoke products. Our purpose is to ensure best-in-class quality enzymes and diagnostic kits, cementing the rigorous vision we set out for ourselves and our products as your partner in life sciences. State-of-the-art equipment, however, doesn't make a difference if there is no finger to press the button, a mind to question everything, every day. Day in, day out, minute by minute, moment by moment, ready to support you in making a difference. A trusted partner dedicated to ensuring that the finest products are at your doorstep when you need them. NZYtech, your partner for life sciences.